Hey traders, today we're taking a hard look at Coidouble.top. This broker is making some big promises, but let's dig deeper and see what's really going on. Lack of regulation. Coidouble.top does not appear to be registered or regulated by any recognized financial authority. This absence of oversight is a major concern for investor protection. Withdrawal issues. Multiple reports from users indicate difficulties in withdrawing funds from the platform. This is a classic warning sign of potential fraudulent activity. Limited online presence. There is a notable lack of verifiable information about the company's background, leadership, or physical location. This opacity makes it difficult for potential investors to assess the platform's legitimacy. Negative reviews. Several online sources, including Report Scam Trading, have flagged Coidouble.top as a potential scam, citing user complaints and suspicious activities. If you've been scammed by Coidouble.top, there are resources available, but be careful, don't fall for another get-your-money-back-quick scheme. Instead, contact consultations to get a free consultation and recovery service. Broker Complaint Alert provides recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You can find the link in the video description. Before you invest with any broker, do your homework. Read independent reviews. Check their regulations.